जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल चाल है आपके? ठीक है, उम्मीद है सब खैरियत से होंगे. So we are going to start our new video in which we are going to study about the factorization of the expression of the type a square plus minus 2ab plus b square. So as we know that this formula can be written like a plus minus b whole square will always equals to a square plus minus 2ab plus b square. So in simple words that you can say that today's lecture we are going to study about this formula in which the right hand side is given and we have to change the right hand side into left hand side. So we have to find that which two variables are adding with each other, and after adding we have to take the square. So as you can see, the heading of today's lecture is factorization of the expression of the type a square plus minus 2ab plus b square. So we are going to study this kind of formula in a kind of couple of examples. So now I'm going to write some kind of examples. That suppose the first example is 25 x square plus 16 plus 40x. So if you can see that this type of expression is given, and we have to find that how can we write this expression into whole square. So if you can see in this expression that can we find any kind of whole squares of these three terms. So first of all, we are going to arrange this expression like 25 x square plus 40x plus 16. So in our next step, that we can write these two terms into squared form. So 25 can be written as 5 raised to power 2 and x raised to power 2 already given. So we can write this term as 5x whole square. So once again, I'm going to tell you that keep this formula in your mind, that we are going to use this formula in these examples. So 25x square can be written like fx 5x whole square, and on the end that this 16 can be written as 4 raised to power 2. So if you see this formula, this side is given, so it means that square of first plus square of second plus minus 2 into first into second. So I've left the space in between these two terms that I'm going to write down like by using this formula, that the middle term is given as 2 into first into second. So in this example, the first term is 5x and the second term is 4. Or you can say that this is A, this is B. So by using this formula, you can write the middle term as 2 into first into second. So 2 into first आपके पास 5x टर्म दी हुई है, तो 5x ऐसे इस तरीके से लिख लें ब्रैकेट्स में, एंड second means 4, so 4 can be written like that. So if you see that if you multiply these things in the middle term, so you can find that when we multiply all these terms, so this is equals to 40x. How is it possible that you can see 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10 and 10 fours are 40. So अगर आप इस चीज़ को देखें तो क्वेश्चन के सही होने का पता आपको यहाँ पे चल जाएगा कि when you will multiply these things, so you should have the answer 40x. So that is like the right hand side that we are taking to solve the expression. Now we are going to change the right hand side into left hand side. कि हमने ये देखना है कि ये पूरा एक्सप्रेशन किस चीज़ का होल स्क्वायर है. So in our next step that we can write this expression as 5x plus 4 whole square. So if you see that 5x plus whole square, if you take the square of these two terms, so you can find that this will be equals to this thing. How is it possible that suppose this one is a, that I have already told you over in this step that this is equal to a and this is equals to b. So a plus b whole square will always equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So यहाँ पे हमारा क्वेश्चन जो है वो ख़त्म हो गया. अगर हम इसको चेक करना चाहें कि that we are going to do this, we have done this question correctly, so you can open this expression by using this formula that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let's check our answer that we have done this question correctly. That take the square of this expression. So 5x, जिसको हम कह सकते हैं कि ये a के इक्वल है, and 4 जो b के इक्वल है. So if we apply the formula of a plus b whole square, so we can write this thing 5 square 5x square. इसका अगर स्क्वायर लेंगे 5x का तो वो बन जाएगा 25x square. So the square of first plus square of second, 4 का square 16 plus 2 into first पे आपके पास x है तो यहाँ पे आप लिख देंगे 5x into second 4. So if you multiply this thing, ये x 25x square उसी तरह ही आ जाएगा plus 2 5s are 10 10 4s are 40 और x साथ उसी तरह ही आ जाएगा plus ये वाला 16 यहाँ पे आ गया. So if you see that this thing is equals to this thing, so this expression is equals to this expression. So in these two expressions we have solved we have find the way that how can we solve this expression by using the formula that a plus minus b whole square equals to a square plus minus 2ab plus b square. So that's the way that you can solve this expression. यहाँ तक आपका जो क्वेश्चन है उसका आंसर आ गया है। ये चेक करने के लिए कि क्या हमने ये क्वेश्चन ठीक किया है, हमने दोबारा इसके ऊपर जो है वो फार्मूला अप्लाई किया और ये चीज़ इसके इक्वल आ गई। इसका मतलब है कि ये क्वेश्चन जो है वो सही है। So this lecture I have given in the details that कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ रह ना जाए कि जिससे आपको समझ ना आ सके। So in our next examples we will do these things shortly by using this kind of formula. So उम्मीद है when you will see the video you will understand the things. So in our next lecture we will take some more examples to understand these kind of expressions, that how can we factorize. So तब तक के लिए अगली वीडियो के तक के लिए इजाज़त दीजिए। चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आपको वीडियोस जो है वो नई वीडियोस जो है वो आप तक पहुंच सके और आप उनको समझ सकें। इंशाल्लाह अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मुलाकात करते हैं। अपना ध्यान रखें। खुदा हाफिज़।